Should install this part. There was 3 screws each side. So total you need to install 6 screws to fix this bar. Then we're going to install the build. Then we put the build inside, and from there until here. Before connect the belt, you need to lose this side 2 screws, so this part will move much back, so it will be connected easily. Then put this pin inside to connect them like this. Make it in. And tight it, will be okay. After we have installed the build and install that, first we install this part. After we install this and install the build, then we are going to install the label roll holder here. Firstly, there was 3 screws. You should take it out. And we put this part at the bottom of here, then install the speed screw. So the label holder will be installed here. Also that's 2 sides. The other side also installed like this. Then we have a black weld. After those, install is finished. Before we install the new label, we should use your new label, a piece of like this, and let's set the sensor. Before that, you should press these 2 buttons together so it will blink. Then put your label here to come and back, come and back, come and back, like this. Make it about 10 times. After that, press minus, and you will see when there was a label, it is yellow light. Not successful. Let's do it again. Press both buttons, flash. Then press minus. Now successful. See, when there was a label here, the light is yellow. When it go to the gap between 2 labels, it will be light off. So like this, it is success. Then we are going to introduce how to install the new label. Firstly, remove the old label. Open this. Use this and to change your label. So the label is here. Around here. Then go this black bar. Then go here, this part. Then go this part. Then one thing is very important to let the label pass this sensor. There was this gap, a gap. You should have put the label inside the gap. And cross this bar. Then go here. And take more label. Then go there. This way, this way, this way. Then come. Then go this way. Then go this way. Then cross here before it lock. Then make it round. Then use this to cover it, to fix it. Like this. Then lock here. Make it tight. Then move the small bars, small circle down. Cover it. And fix this. And all the things move down. Make sure this label should into the gap. Move down, locked, move down. Then the label install is finished. The other side is the same. Then we are going to try to move this sensor base and screw here to move forward and back forward to make sure the label will stop at the perfect position. Like this. The label just come out very little, like this, is the best position. It is by moving this base, the sensor base, to control. Like this is perfect. If it's too much or too less, just adjust this base to move forward or backward until the label come out like this. Now we are going to introduce roughly about this machine from the top to the bottom. This one is to adjust the heightness of this part. This is the build, can hold the top side of the bottle, so it will move stably. This build will move same speed as this build because they are using the same motor. So this motor will give the power of this build and the main build. So they will move together to hold the bottle stop and button, so the bottle will move more stably. So this part is to adjust the top side build heightness. So when you adjust the height, put the bottle here, and then move down until it touches it. Then this part is to hold the two sensors. The sensor will connect the fever cable. The fever cable adjustment is here to adjust the sensitivity of the sensor. So one side is to send the signal, another side is to receive signal. When the bottle comes, let me move it out. So this side will send a signal to this side. So when the bottle comes, and it will stop the signal passing. So the sensor will sense the bottle and give the signal to the machine. It will send a label. So this part is to adjust up and down, so to match the bottle height. Here you can adjust up and down. When you adjust one side, you need to adjust the other side the same heightness. So that the signal will give to that signal at the same level. Then this part is for the labeling road. Label will put it install here, then goes here to send a label here. This is to adjust the label up and down to match the area of the label where you need to stick. If you want the label stick a little up, you should adjust this up. If the label wants it down, so adjust it down. Move like this. You can see heightness is changed. And this too is to adjust the balance for the label. For example, the label is like this. You need to adjust this whole part a little like this. This and this to also to adjust the label forward and backward. This to adjust this part forward and backward. This left and right. So the other side is the same. This side is for here, that side is for there. The two units is the same. Then let's introduce this part. This part is to hold the bottle when it is passed here. So this will clamp it to make sure the bottle moves more stably. Also it will separate the two bigger bottles. Then this is a control panel. And you can see the control and the date is here. And this is the softer parts. When the bottle comes, it will press it and the label will stick more good. And this part can move forward and backward. And the downside is the electric box. All the electric parts is inside. Thanks for watching. Now we are going to test the machine. Firstly, we need to adjust the heightness of the bottle. So put the bottle here, then adjust the heightness so that the top tilt will press the bottle and the downside will press together. So we'll hold the bottle step when it's moving here. Then we should adjust this part so it will clamp it to let it move stably in this area. Also, it can separate the photos. So firstly, I adjusted this tightness. Secondly, I adjusted this well to adjust the distance between these two parts. Then I adjusted forward and backward so that the label will stand out just a little in front of here. You have adjusted this one. So 1, 2, 3. After I adjust, we can start. If you want to print it a little forward, you can adjust this here. Also can adjust it here. A little forward. A little forward. A little down. And then do this split. Now we are going to introduce the touch screen. When you press it in, you will see the status. This one is to return to the main page, and this one is to control the main speed, build speed. Let's try, see. See, it will move very a little slow. You can see the build. Faster. Become faster. This one to control the white part. The white part speed. Let's make it, for example, to make it 20. You will see it's moving much slow. Faster. Then this means after the sensor sends a signal, then get the signal back again. How many seconds it will send out a label. So this, for example, we adjust 1 second. That means after the signal is blocked by the bottle, this sensor, when the sensor when this bottle passed, the signal can send from this side to that side again. After how many seconds later, it will send out a label. Delay stop. This is to set the label stop position. You can adjust by this number. Also, you can adjust by this sensor. Can move backward and forward to control the label stop position. And this is label sending out speed. This to know how many label you have for stick in the front. This is reset. To make it 0. This is for the backside unit. This is forward unit labeling part. So this and this is the same, just the 2 units different. And this is forward testing. When you press 1 time, it will send out a label. It will send 1 label. This one is to control the backside unit. Front mark on and off. Off means when the bottle passed, it will not send a label. It should be on when you use it. Backside, another unit, same. Run to start it, stop. This one is when the machine got some error, when it is alarm, press reset, it will stop. Other setting page, code delay, it's for the machine with a printer. Without printer, this button no use. Pre-mark protection is same as for the coding. Code off, code test, it's also for the printer. If your model without printer, it's no use. Here's a label road from this part. Then go to this side, and this side, this bar, and this bar, and this one. Make sure this passes the sensor, label sensor. Then this bar, and to there, and to this, and about the peeling board. Then go here, then go here, then open it. Unlock and go inside, lock it, and go here and goes here.